The global biotechnology or biosciences industry is huge. But one of the biggest mistake youngsters do is they just focus on the India market or the Bangalore market or the Hyderabad market. And that is where you are limiting your potential. Okay. See, when I started my career, we focused on India. That's all right. But now Biotechnica is also global. We have global opportunities coming in. And that is where I want to give you one piece of advice which will help you throughout your life. Remember, you studied biosciences, right? Now, does it mean that you can apply that science only in India and you can not apply in US or UK or China or Europe? You can, right? So, knowledge has no boundaries. So, why should your career have boundaries? Think about it. And that is where I want to tell you this. This is a advice which my father gave me, that why are you limiting Biotechnica only to India? Go global. Right? The same thing I'm asking you. Why are you limiting your career to India? Go global. I'm not asking you to leave India. I'm asking you to go global. Right? Equip yourself with the right skill set. Equip yourself with the right technologies and tools. And do not become a victim of circumstances, because circumstances will anyways be there. Okay? Learn cutting edge tools, techniques, skill set, and then apply in global companies. Right? Learn in India, spend in rupees and learn the skill set, and then earn in dollars and yuan or whatever is the currency abroad. Doesn't matter. But as long as you are inclined towards growth, as long as you are inclined towards global growth, nobody can stop you. Now, let me give you an example. The first one, the total biological market, if we have to divide, 77% of the market is captured by US right now. Okay, and this is going to change, but yeah, US supplies 77% of the biotech goods and services across the globe. Okay, most advanced industry. So you can choose to be a part of that. Okay, let's move on to Europe. Europe constitutes around 24 to 25% of the rest of the piece. Okay, so 77 is US and 25% roughly is Europe, where you also get a very good lifestyle as a scientist, a very good payout, and of course, a lot of perks. So Europe is a good market, right? Now let's go to China. China is a closed market, but as a Indian researcher, when you work in China, there's a lot of funding. There is a lot of funding which is happening to the biology side of research in China. And if you can make it, you can break it. You can actually be the top-notch scientist in China, but there is a limitation. China is not a democracy. You have limitation on your freedom of work, freedom of speech. That can be limitation. But yeah, China is also growing. It's roughly 7% of the entire market is it's taken over by China. Now, India somewhere around 1 to 2%. Okay, so I'm not telling you exact numbers, but 1 to 2% is India, right? Now, where else does India stand? I'll tell you. My mentor told me this, that if you are born in a developed country, be excited about it. That you are lucky that you were born in a developed country. But if you are born in a developing country, be super excited. I asked why. He said, because developing country has a lot of scope of growth for you, because developing country demands a lot of work. Developing country demands a lot of developmental work which can happen. So Indian life sciences industry is not mature industry. That means it is growing. It's not even in the teenage, and you can contribute to this industry. You can be the early entrant into this industry and become the Kiran Majumdar Shah of this industry 70 years later. Right? So what I'm trying to tell you here is India is also a very good market, and that's where we are advising you upgrade your skill set, learn new things, cross skill, upskill, and keep learning newer things. And at the same time, do not limit yourself to Bangalore market or Chennai market or Hyderabad market of biotech. No. Why India? Your career should be global, because your knowledge can be applied globally. And today, with the advent of technology, you can insource. So whatever can be outsourced from US can be insourced to India. For example, bioinformatics consultant, you can be giving consultancy to companies in US, right? You can be analyzing data to European biotech companies. So a lot of scope exists, but only visionaries can see it. Only people who are ready for it will grab it. Only the top 5% will understand this video. I'm sure you are among them. If you could not understand, if you have any questions, please put them down below. I would love to answer you, because I know that every child who is watching this video, every subscriber of Biotechnica who is pushing harder, putting in effort to grow in their career, deserves a global career. And I'm committed towards that. So go ahead, email me or comment below. I'll help you out in helping you create a global career for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.